Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, hit that bell notification so you get all the cool videos we're going to be filming at CES 2019. This is from ECOVACS.com. These guys make a lot of robot devices. They're a robotics company when it comes down to it. They make robot vacuums that move around your floor and clean your floor, etc., etc. And they make window bots. This is the WINBOT X. And this thing is a window cleaning robot. Pretty crazy. You basically just put it on your window and it starts cleaning. It's pretty crazy. And it suctions itself right to the thing. It's got a little suction motor that makes sure it can not only suction to your window on a vertical basis, but also moves around. It has a safety sort of cord system that can hold it, but damn, it did a heck of a job for us. We were just really amazed. It's basically a free-moving, adaptable, intelligent appliance that attaches your glass and travels the surface until every inch is clean, spotless. It's pretty neat, and it's all automated. You just push it on, it goes around, cleans your whole window. It beeps when it's done to let you know that it's done, and away you go. You can just let it do all the work for you. It's got a cordless power source, a deep clean mode, and a safety tether system, which is pretty good. Yeah, and it's fairly inexpensive when it comes down to it. I mean, why bother doing all the window cleaning when you can have this done for you? And if you're a commercial company, say you're in an office building where you've got those big giant windows that get dirty all the time, this is great for that too. You can use it on the inside, on the outside glass, and it's got a 4-stage cleaning system that makes everything look good. And it'll work with your deep clean mode that you can take and put it on to take care of serious dirt. And it'll use a double pass going through cleaning patterns back and forth over and over to take and clean the thing. It's got WINBOT squeegees and wipes. And so basically 4 different ways that it can move or direct. It's always cleaning. You can, of course, interchange those, clean them, put the cleaning solution on them. I found it just worked awesome. And I really like the fact that it's got a tether system on it so it can make sure that it won't fall on you. That's nice to have because, it's a little expensive. So, you definitely don't want to have it dropping on you. It's got a 2.4 gigahertz connection to the main robot, and it monitors and ensures the safe status of the robot, which is pretty cool. It will even emit an alarm if the suction cup or system air pressure is smaller than what it needs to make sure it gets attached to the glass. So the tether will draw it back if there's an issue. That's pretty darn smart. I mean, this is brilliant robotic stuff, and you just put it right on your window and away you go. Edge detection, it'll know when it comes to the edge of the window. This has got a 50-minute cleaning process that it will take and do, and it will also, let you know when it's getting too low. It's easy, friendly, simple. It even comes with a remote control, so hubba, how about that? You can just put it on and then turn on the remote control when you want it to go, and just pretty nice that way. I was super impressed with the product. I highly recommend you get one of these. Certainly makes it much easier. I mean, how old is the old world of cleaning windows by hand? Geez, put a robot on it, done, finished. And if you got big, beautiful windows in your home or in your office, this is a great product. So anyway, go to ECOVACS.com, check out the WINBOT X. Highly recommend it, and we'll see you next time.